Welcome back to Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, everyone. You will be horrified to learn what transpired with the Shiba Inu coin, holy Shib. Since its launch, Shib has been a popular cryptocurrency among traders all around the world. In the cryptocurrency space, Shiba is nearly as well known as Dogecoin. It may be used for everyday transactions and as a payment mechanism in the real world. In revolutionary Shiba Inus, the incentive structure enables holders to engage in staking, lending money, and generating passive income. In this video, we'll discuss about Holy Shiba. Shinu's entry into the metaverse sector will benefit consumers interested in online VR gaming, NFT minting and trading, and digital land acquisition, among other things. You'll be horrified to learn what transpired with Shiba Inu coin recently. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent material. Shiba Inu was created in 2020 by a mysterious founder Rashi, who a few months ago seems to have abandoned the project. The second most important meme coin in the market, occupying the 14th place in the ranking among the most capitalized cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. Shiba too has made important strides over the months in terms of adoption and trust as a digital tool, such as that of AMC, the largest owner of cinemas and theaters in the United States, which decided to authorize payments with this coin in its theaters, or like Robinhood, the largest U.S. trading app, which decided in April to include it among the exchangeable coins on its platform. Shib seems to be suffering a rather delicate moment in the market, since it would be, according to analysts close to key support, the breaking of which could lead to a new negative phase, despite the announcement of its forthcoming inclusion in the important BitMax exchange, and the launch of the virtual card game Shiba Eternity linked directly to its token in the past 7 days. However, it has recorded an increase in trading volume of 121%, a palpable indication that one direction or another is clearly about to make a significant move, according to the belief of numerous analysts. When the much-awaited Shiba Eternity trading card game was released a week ago, Shib added over 100,000 new lenses. Currently, 2,233.75 users possess this well-known K9 coin. That figure has increased by over 10,000. On October 12, Elon Musk announced the introduction of a branded perfume made by one of his firms. As you mentioned previously, the Shiba token witnessed a surge of 2,220 new users on the game's debut day. Oddly, the Boring Company's goal was to build underground tunnels to relieve city traffic. The fragrance, dubbed Scorched Hair, costs $104 per bottle. On the first day of the introduction, 10,000 bottles valued at $1 million were sold. Musk tweeted that Doge is a valid form of payment, but BitPay, the payment processor, also allows users to pay in shibainu, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a number of other cryptocurrencies. The following day, Musk tweeted 20,000, which some people thought was a report of higher burnt hair sales. The price of Dogecoin did not react to this. A member of the Doge development team even mentioned that he was having problems paying for the perfume in the meme room, stating that the process was quite complicated and not sure if he succeeded in the end. Recently, the Shiba Inu team announced that it had taken over control of the burn portal, shbburn.com, from Rashi Vision. In addition, a new burn mechanism that is similar to the Sharia protocol will be made available to users. The team is betting on massive token burning to somehow push Shib prices higher. On October 13, when a shbburn.com disclosed that 20 billion Shib tokens were destroyed in a single day, raising the total to 41,038 billion. This department still requires a lot of effort because the circulation quantity of Shiba Inu is over 589 trillion, while the total supply is approximately 1 quadrillion. As the project continues to release new features, there is a notable amount of network activity surrounding the Shiba Inu token. The price of the token has experienced a steep decline, from a peak of 0.00003 in February to its current price of 0.009 as of October 13. Despite this, analysts have identified several factors that suggest that Shib may have a bright future. These include the fact that the Shiba Inu project is working on developments that will add a great deal of functionality and services to the ecosystem. One of the main reasons for this is the abundance of features that Shib is expected to release in the coming months. Shib has already made progress in this area when it recently released the Shiba Inu. The community has recognized Shinu's ability to be creative and unique, differentiating itself from a typical meme currency. In addition to Shiba Eternity, the team is also developing a Layer 2 solution. Shib was supposed to launch in the third quarter of 2022, or maybe a little later, but it doesn't seem like the team will announce it until they're ready. The Layer 2 solution will help lower gas fees, which have plagued shibainu like it has other EC20 tokens. Although there have been calls for at least a date on the public beta, this has no set release date. Although it is challenging to predict prices in the cryptocurrency market even in the best of conditions, the team has stated that Shib will lower transaction costs to pennies and transaction times to seconds. However, advancements with Shiba Inu could provide insight into the direction that the token is heading. The token is currently trading at 0.00009, which is approximately 89% lower than its all-time high of 0.0086. However, it is important to note that Shib has had an incredible rise of 17,245, 84.7% from its all-time low. Investors are optimistic about a strong run, at the very least, hitting 2022 highs of 0.00003 is very likely, and they will be more anticipating a range of 0.045 to 0.05 next year. Since the cryptocurrency market is erratic and memecoins are volatile, it's possible that Shib will grow even more as market frenzy takes hold. Some analysts have even said that Shib will rise to $1, but at that valuation, this is impossible. Compared to the present total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market, which is only $364 billion for Bitcoin, the total market capitalization of Shib would be $549 billion, or more than half of that amount. Wealthy father, poor father. In a recent tweet, author Robert Kiyosaki again foresaw a catastrophic collapse of the US dollar and economy, speculating that millions might perish. Kiyosaki stated that people only think about microeconomic factors, like rising food and fuel prices, but they are blind to macroeconomic problems. The best-selling author then advised his readers to safeguard themselves against macro by purchasing gold and silver in addition to Bitcoin this time. For the past 2 years, Kiyosaki has been forecasting the impending collapse of the USD, and he has excellent reason to do so. The U.S. Central Bank has raised interest rates multiple times in 2020 alone, and the Fed has produced more than $6 trillion in currency. One of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, BitMax, has officially announced that 6 new cryptocurrencies will soon be listed. Among these is the well-known meme token. Users will be able to convert deposits and withdraw Shibs to their exchange accounts using Shiba Inu's listing. That concludes our discussion for today. Remember to give us a thumbs up. BitMax was one of the few significant cryptocurrency exchanges that had not yet released a Dogecoin rival. Despite this, the listing news did not appear to have an effect on Shib's price, as the K9 meme coin is currently trading at 0.134, down 5.04% over the previous 24 hours. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.